Hi, I also is a part of the just concluded training on filmmaking, and I just want to use this opportunity to say a huge thank you to Camila, to Andrew, and Karen. Ordinarily, I'm one person that don't know nothing about cameras and all that, but it's a new opening, an adventure for me, and I intend to take this further.
It was useful, interesting, amazing, and I received a lot of positive emotions.
This project is very interesting because it's the first time I tried to make something professional, and for me it's a good experience.
We got first experience about scenario, like storyboard, then how to make some videos. After we got some, we talk about lighting and sound.
It's a wonderful day, and I was very happy to be here today for workshop. I can say they added new good things in my life, in my production dream, our career.
I think I would like to say this is a foundation for me. So Póca Productions has actually created an avenue for me. I love writing scripts, so really I've been curious to learn about what happens behind the scenes and recording and directing. So maybe I'll take it up from here. First of all, I've learned that before you start any movie at all, you have to have your storyboard. That is just the basics of it all. You have your script, but the storyboard actually breaks it down for you and makes it easy for you to know how to graduate from one story to the other. And for me, that is amazing because it's made it easy for me to actually shoot my short-term video. It's been amazing.
Useful.
Amazing.
Amazing.